Thank you for joining me on my learning journey. Today I'm going to be sharing the explanation behind the multiplying two numbers close to and under 100, and also the explanation between multiplying two numbers close to and over 100. So I've made two separate videos on these tricks, but since the concepts are pretty much the same, I want to, share their explanation in one video here. And let's get started. And as usual, I'm just going to simply take our trick and represent it algebraically, and take our statement and represent it algebraically. So our expression that they give us, our problem to solve. If you think about the two numbers close to and over 100, all they're asking is 100a times 100 plus a, times 100 plus b. And I'm going to keep that aside for a second, and we'll get to it in a second. And all our trick is telling us, if you're thinking about it, is for the part where you have to add 100 plus a plus b, you also have to multiply it by 100, because if you're thinking about place value, these three digits is 100 plus a plus b, but it's also times 100, thanks to the place value of it, since it's moved over here. So it's 100 times 100 plus a plus b. And it's also plus ab, right? Because this is just a times b, or ab. So plus ab. So we'll keep this here for a second, and what we want to do now is prove that these two are the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to distribute this out first. So you get 10,000 plus 100 a plus 100 b plus ab. And so next I'm going to distribute this out, multiply these two binomials. And there are plenty of ways you can do this. You can do FOIL, box method, whatever method you like. I'm going to do the box method just because it's easy to see with, visuals and stuff. You can actually see it in a visual way, so I think that that's what I'm going to do. Let's use the box method. So 100 plus, 100 plus a, and then 100 plus b. And then for this, I would multiply 100 times 100, 10,000, 100 times a, 100a, 100 times b, 100b, and a times b, or ab. So look familiar? You might already see where we're getting with this. So we have to add all the things from inside the boxes up. Add them all up, 10,000 and 10,000 plus 100a plus 100b plus ab. And you will see that these two are the same. So in other words, that's why it's correct. That's the proof that this trick works. And so all that the trick really is it's taking it's taking the seemingly scary expression and just making it simpler and making it easier to do quickly. Okay, time for the close to and under 100 trick. And again, it's a very similar trick. So it'll be 100 minus a times 100 minus b. And what is the trick for this? The trick for this is 100 minus a plus b, or 100 minus A minus B, but this is times 100. Remember, because of place value again, so times 100 plus AB. And we're going to do the same thing that we did with our other trick. So 10,000 minus 100A minus 100B plus AB. Distribute, multiply the two binomials. I'm going to use good old box method here. Add the lines for our box model. Okay. 100 minus A, 100 minus B, multiply. This would be 10,000. This would be negative 100A, negative 100B, and AB. Add them all up. And there we go. They are both the same. And so that was just the proof